Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to insert and remove drill or screwdriver bits on Buildskill Cordless drill machine. So let's check it out. We already published our unboxing and first impressions video. We will share that link in the description along with the product link. This is the Buildskill 21 volts cordless and brushless drill machine. I got this recently for doing some small home stuff. We have a 10 mm keyless chuck here. This is a metal one, and unlike old drill machines, we don't have to use any key to insert or remove the drill bits. This accepts most common screwdriver bits and drill bits. Now let's see how to unlock and lock this chuck here. We will try this with a screwdriver and drill bit one by one. I recommend removing the battery first while doing this, just to be safe for beginners, especially when we are using drill bit. Or make sure to keep this in neutral position, not in forward or reverse. We can keep this in neutral position. The trigger won't work when it is in neutral, so it will be safe. Also, please make sure to wear safety goggles while doing the drilling work. We have the symbols here to lock and unlock this chuck. I'll take a photo of this and share with you. Let's insert the screwdriver bit now. We can rotate the chuck like this according to the symbol to unlock this. As you can see, it is opening now. We can see the holder opening now. We can open it wide according to the bit size we have. So then we can insert this. So make sure to insert this as deep as possible. Make sure the chuck jaws grip this bit evenly and the bit is in center position. After that, we can start to lock it by rotating this to the opposite side. We will hear a click sound like this. Once it is properly locked, we will get this click sound. We can check this again. We can gently try to pull the bit to see if it is tight enough. I will add the battery now. And it is working properly. Similarly, to unlock this, we have to rotate the chuck like this and it will be unlocked. We can remove the screwdriver bit. Then we can add the drill bit. We can adjust the holder size here. Then we can insert this and we can lock this. That's all. Make sure to select the required mode here before you start to drill. There is also another way to do this. We can do that once you get familiar with the drill machine. I am not sure if this is a recommended method. By default, if we press the trigger, it will move like this. There won't be any change. But if we press the forward trigger and hold this chuck, it will then try to close it. As you can see, now if I press the reverse and press the trigger, it will open. Now we can add our required bit and we can do the forward. Okay, now we can lock this. That's all. These are the steps to insert and remove drill or screwdriver bits on Buildskill cordless drill machine. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.